So today we are going to be removing the engine and transmission out of Samantha. So I have a lot of fabrication things that I want to do to the front of Samantha. I am going to be solid axle swapping it. I'm considering pushing the axle farther forward. Thus, I'm going to need to extend the frame. I might extend it far enough that I can put a winch on the front. So I'm going to have it be big and beefy. And the best thing to do to solve this problem is actually going to be to remove the engine. So then I have access to the inside of the fenders so I can do proper welds and do proper gusseting to support this axle and to support the frame so it doesn't bend or crack on us. So to do that, I need to get the engine out of Samantha, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So we've got a lot of small steps ahead of us. We're gonna drain the coolant, we're gonna drain the oil, we are going to be doing labeling, marking everything that is connected from the fender to the engine. A whole bunch of things on here, and we're gonna mark them numerically. So we're not gonna write what they are, like coil, we're just gonna put 1. And so it's gonna be 1 on the coil, 1 on the coil wire, and then we just move on to the next thing. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be marking everything and hoping pulling this thing out today, which would be awesome. So roughly 3 hours later, we have the engine and the transmission out of the vehicle. We took it all out as one, as you saw, and then we separated them right here on the ground. This is a 2-wheel drive transmission. We're not gonna need it. It doesn't have a T-case or anything on the backside, so it's gonna be garbage or selling it or trying to get rid of it one way or another. So that is out of here. The engine has been running, was good before we took it out. We have noticed a few things that we need to replace on it while we were kind of taking it out. Some just general maintenance while it's out probably too. Maybe replace the front main seal, replace the rear main seal, change some hoses and whatnots. But Samantha is getting gutted. I have a few more things I would love to get done today. Hopefully Tyler can stay a little bit longer because I could use some of his muscles. But we're gonna go to lunch right now and we are gonna come back and hopefully tear more of this thing apart. Oh, that's it. Isn't too bad.
Right?
Damn.
Put on some leaf springs and you can rock it back and forth.
Oh, that'd be nice. I wonder if we have any leaf springs laying around. Well, we got a lot done today on Samantha. We got that engine out. We got the transmission out. We pulled the bench seat out. We took the bed off. We took the gas tank out. We took all kinds of things apart today. A lot of that is prepping and getting ready for everything to come. We had to clear space to cut off tabs or to be able, we know that we're gonna weld tabs into other locations. So that's like one of the main reasons we took the gas tank off. Was that you? Oh, okay. I was like, what was that? Something fell.
There's a squirrel in here.
So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna enjoy the Samantha build. I'm super excited for it. You got any final words here, Tyler?
Let's build!
Woo! And with that, my friends, keep crawling.